Hello, so in this video I'm gonna be building a fine-tuning LLM model. As an option, here I have the same dataset place, and here I have dataset passed in when it comes to stock, crypto, and weather. Just few examples as you can see. And here is my agent. Remember to as well create a model. So to start it off, it's advised to just create a Jupyter you need. And remember to as well have obviously your Hugging Face API. I think as well if you need 1 dB, right? So remember to upload this one, or you can as well keep it inside the repo. I'm gonna just install here. Actually, I should. It's preferred to use Vanv or even Conda. Let's see if everything works here as needed. So what we just did here, we installed transformers, dataset torch, and transformers from Hugging Face. 1 dB we'll use it later, but it's not required. It's just a suggestion to see the logs. Next cell, let me just copy paste it for faster explanation. Here I just add the dataset, load dataset from Hugging Face. As you remember, I have stock crypto weather dataset. Obviously, it contains as well a fine-tuning dataset, and that I define here. And train test split, say 0. And here we have train dataset and validate dataset. Let's go further. And as you can see, here I just printed out features. Let me just shortly go through. As you can see, like features are these ones. You can change it, but for me it's quite simplistic. There's an instruction input, there's an instruction like query input, and we'll pass in the price. And as you can see, the price, it learns how to give out the right output. Then you can see number rows 145. So that's not that much, but it is what it is. Then you can see here it gives a sample example, what is this input, and it gives this one. I think I choose the first one. Model name. I'm gonna use, as said before, a light model because it is well easier on my computer. So tokenizer auto tokenizer from pre-trained model name, model sequence LM pre-trained. Just printed everything. Okay, like that is gonna be easier just to get the model parameters, how much it has. So you can see compared to other models, it's not that enormous. Just copy paste and go through it. So here we pre-process functions. There's an input, as you can see, instruction, and target output. This output. So the input goes in, the max length truncated, and here is a tokenized target. Padding max length. Here you can see model input as labels, as key, and here labels input IDs. And here further we have train. So we need to install NP formatting. For some reason I think there was a dependency requirement. It's not internally how to say it, yeah, invoked, would say, but it was required, that's why I added it. Training arcs we pass in, EPOS, learning rate. Here I have my Hugging Face model. that I want to pass to, and here I have access token that have an .env, and here report to 1db. A showcase here I have. As you can see, it here initials the run in 1db. You can see it has networking traffic, and it's being ran currently. So no errors, and here for example you can track changes. I will not log in because that is not as required. So new cell. In a nutshell, when it's done, it should look like something like this. It has run history. So here I have data collator, Python tokenizer and model name, the trainer, start training, and then we save models here, but actually here you see it's the saved models. We don't actually need it. It's just if it's locally, but I still save it here. In the end, it's gonna as well be pushed to here, as you can see, generate configs and so forth. Same as here. So let's just run it. Here I have training loss, validation loss. Okay, as you can see, it finished, and it has commit URL towards my Hugging Face public agent. If, for example, commit his and like we did simple fine tuning. Here, for example, it missed something, but like I need bigger data. Current price of Tesla stock. Here I have values, and here it gave out this as an answer. Here, for example, Tokyo, and here are the values: 22 degrees Fahrenheit and wind speed of 5 to 2. Let's just add another small example. Simple one. New York. Let's just check like that. So instruction, input values, formatted query, we format it, a response generator, and we use this one, and then let's see what it's gonna spit out. Okay, now you can see. Could you tell me the weather in New York? And here are the input values, like the answers. The weather in New York is mostly cloudy and wind speed of 2.1. It missed the temperature, but you get the gist of it. Most likely I need bigger dataset because this one is quite small. See you in the next one. Cheers.